Today, we're diving into Samsung's evolution, how it's balancing innovation and tradition to keep its fans hooked. Historical footage of Samsung devices. Scroll as Samsung has long been celebrated for its cutting-edge features, devices packed with hundreds of functionalities. But in recent years, fans have noticed some changes. From removing the IR blaster to excluding chargers, even dialing down the iconic S Pen experience, Samsung has streamlined its offerings. This shift left fans questioning, could the S Pen, a fan favorite, disappear altogether? Interview highlights plus visuals of S Pen. Microphone. Well, Samsung has put those fears to rest. In an exclusive interview with Tech Radar, Anab Basen, VP of Product and Marketing at Mobile Experience, MX UK, said this about the future of the S Pen. Speed balloon multimodal is really important to us. Whether it's conversations, writing, or meetings, people love using the S Pen to jot down notes. We can't imagine a future where it's not central to our Ultra experience. Writing hand. According to Anab, the S Pen remains a cornerstone for Samsung's creativity-first approach. Sneak peek at the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Mobile phone, and here's the exciting part, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to include a built-in S Pen. This flagship device, expected early next year, will carry forward the legacy of creativity and convenience. Performance upgrade insights? Rocket, but that's not all. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series impressed with its Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processors, a shift that left fans cheering. Why? Snapdragon easily outperformed Samsung's own Exynos chips in speed, battery life, and heat management. Man construction worker. Now, Samsung is determined to rewrite the narrative. They're working on the Exynos 2600 chip, aiming to tackle performance issues and improve its cutting-edge 2nm manufacturing process. Could this be the comeback for Exynos? Only time will tell. Speculations plus battery upgrades. Battery A. And speaking of upgrades, there's buzz about revolutionary battery technology like silicon carbon batteries. If true, the Galaxy S26 series might boast significantly larger batteries, offering more power without compromising sleek design. Conclusion: why it matters. Direct it. From reaffirming the S Pen's importance to pushing boundaries with its chipsets and batteries, Samsung is proving it's still in the game to redefine the smartphone experience.